Sweet! The first macromolecule we'll talk about is carbohydrate. Macromolecules are large molecules made up of small repeating units that we call monomers. These monomers are the building blocks that make up bigger molecules that we call polymers. Mono means one and poly means many, so monomer, one unit, and polymer, many units. Most organisms use carbohydrates for energy. You know what carbohydrates are. They're sometimes called carbs. They're the starches and the sugars. They're made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sugars are the monomers or building blocks, and we call them monosaccharides. Again, mono meaning one, and saccharide meaning sugar. Lots of these have the suffix OSE after their name, like glucose and sucrose. Those are both monosaccharides. When you string more than one monosaccharide together, you get a polysaccharide. These are sometimes called complex carbohydrates. Some polysaccharides have just a few monosaccharides strung together in them, and other polysaccharides have thousands, like starch. Carbohydrates, like starch in plants and glycogen in animals, are usually used to store energy. However, sometimes organisms put extra strong, durable bonds on their carbohydrates, and then you can use them for structure. The stuff we call fiber is one of these special carbohydrates with extra strong bonds. It has bonds that we aren't capable of digesting. Scientists call fiber cellulose, and it's the stuff that plants use to make their cell walls. It's also what makes vegetables crunchy. Insects use a carbohydrate called chitin to make up their exoskeleton, and it's also really hard to break down. So, carbohydrates are super useful. They can either be used as energy, or they can be used as protection, or to make rigid, durable structures. Stay awesome. See you next time.